This is a Casey from QLQ company. Now I'm going to show you this popper button can pass the needle detector machine by Hashima brand detector machine, and we set up A grade 1 standard. So now we will show you. 好，翻多一点。So now we will start the machine, okay? You see, it can pass very smooth. 好，在其他键。So now we test this part. This is the B part, okay? You can see it passed very smooth. And this is a clutch, okay? You can see it passed also smooth, okay? If you are interested for subsidies parts, you can send email to us. Thank you.